Bullish ramp cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 24 cents and 52 cents by 2030. Market experts accept ramp could reach 24 cents by 2025. Bearish ramp market cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. Ramp presentation. Since its send-off in 2020, Ramp has figured out how to stand out as a multi-chain loaning stage that empowers clients to boost their crypto returns. Notwithstanding, Ramp's previous exhibition has been very conflicting, with a few ups and downs. In spite of that, Ramp is as yet viewed as a coin of revenue in the digital money market, with promising future outcomes. Assuming you're interested about the cost of Ramp, you're perfectly positioned. In this video, we've summed up Ramp cost expectations, from Ramp cost today to average cost, current cost, past execution, verifiable information, lease cost, normal exchanging cost, and most extreme cost, as well as thinking about whether Ramp coin is supposed to be a wise speculation for what's in store. For our exhaustive Ramp cost gauge, continue to peruse. What is Ramp? Ramp DeFi is a decentralized multi-bind driving stage intended to help DeFi reception. It was established by Lo Rong and Lawrence Lim to augment capital effectiveness on stacked advanced resources. Ramp permits non-Ethereum clients to stake coins on Ethereum stages, and Ethereum clients can likewise utilize Ramp's foundation to expand their yields. Ramp enables clients to acquire yields on collateralized resources, permitting them to move coins flawlessly across different blockchain networks. The Ramp token is given as a component of the Ethereum network as an ERC20 token, opening extra liquidity and serves numerous different capabilities on the protocol as utilized. This framework expands capital proficiency as well as permits clients to open liquidity from marked resources and stack numerous yield streams on the double. Clients who are now a piece of the Ethereum blockchain can mint USD at zero expenses by keeping their ERC20 tokens into Ramp's liquidity pool. This framework permits both RUSD and EUSD holders to acquire, loan, or trade their tokens openly and make liquidity for clients. Through symbolic consumes, Ramp holders can get esteem back on the coins they hold. Ramp's special selling point is the way it furnishes clients with the most minimal getting expenses and probably the most elevated store yields on insurance resources. Ramp specialized examination. Ramp's creation was essentially incited by the soaring development of the marking economy. And as this development raises, the cost of Ramp coin is additionally prone to increment. Like other digital forms of money, there is a restricted greatest stock of Ramp tokens, meaning something like 1 billion tokens will at any point be made. The coin can never again be printed, and any Ramp consumed is forever taken out from flow. This makes Ramp DeFi safe to expansion, a solid sign that Ramp's worth will probably keep on rising. A larger part of crypto fans are likewise putting down their wagers entrance's future cost development, referring to high utility, sensible tokenomics, and significant use cases as proof that Ramp is a wise speculation. As the DeFi crypto industry extends much further, specialists have assessed that the cost of Ramp will probably ascend from now on, and any speculation could bring great returns. Ramp basic examination. A larger part of DeFi stages are Ethereum-based, leaving out non-Ethereum clients. Ramp DeFi tends to this basic market whole. The Ramp stage is great for battling this issue and engaging non-Ethereum clients to use the advantages of DeFi. Along these lines, Ramp harbors a remarkable market potential with brilliant possibilities arriving at new highs later on. Ramp permits clients to procure yields by cultivating or marking on their capital, collateralizing their capital, acquiring RUSD stablecoin, and afterward utilizing that coin to make different ventures all simultaneously. This productive framework permits clients to appreciate significant yields on speculation on their resources and all the while extricate liquidity. Ramp DeFi offers a plenty of elements, including yield cultivating open doors, a cross-chain liquidity span, and marking rewards. Basically, Ramp furnishes clients with an unmistakable situation to procure tremendous benefit and open liquidity, all while tending to a serious digital money market hole. Ramp current cost. Ramp is presently worth 5 cents USD. Ramp has moved 0.54% as of now with an exchanging volume of $281. Ramp is presently positioned 508 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $25,407,348 USD. Ramp value expectation 2022. Ramp, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Ramp cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 8 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 7 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Ramp is supposed to have a base worth of 6 cents. Ramp value forecast 2023. In 2023, Ramp cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ramp will before long outperform 13 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the ramp's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ramp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 10 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 11 cents. Ramp value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 18 cents and ramp might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Ramp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 17 cents and a low of 16 cents in 2024. Ramp value expectation 2025. Assuming ramp effectively supports market opinion among digital currency devotees, the ramp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ramp will be green in 2025. The ramp is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 24 cents, with a base cost of 21 cents and a typical cost of 22 cents. Ramp value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ramp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 27 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 26 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ramp has a most extreme value worth of 29 cents. Ramp value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 33 cents. On the off chance that ramp figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 34 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help ramp needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 32 cents. Ramp value forecast 2028. While ramp is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 37 cents and a yearly cost close above 40 cents in 2028. Ramp value expectation 2029. By 2029, ramp will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 42 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 45 cents. Averaging out at 43 cents. Ramp value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ramp cost in 2030 is projected to be 52 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 50 cents. Our ramp value forecasts are figured out on specialized examination, as it were. We utilize a few specialized markers, including MACD, Fibonacci